Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install WWE 2K24 on your PC or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now there is only one method on how you could go ahead and download and install WWE 2K24 on your PC or laptop, and that is by downloading it through Steam. You want to go ahead and open up your browser right here and just go ahead and search for Steam. If you don't know what Steam is, it is basically a video game digital distributor and it is really safe. Just go ahead and open up their website right here, and inside just go ahead and create your own account. After creating your own account, just go ahead and install their application. You could go ahead and do that by clicking on the install Steam button right here. You could just go ahead and see that beside your profile icon. Inside, just go ahead and click on this huge button, install Steam, and then the application will automatically download. Now after installing Steam, just go ahead and open it up and you will be brought through their home storefront right here. And inside you have the search bar. Just go ahead and search for your specific game. In our case, we are looking for WWE 2K24, so I'll just go ahead and hit on enter. Inside, we have our search results right here. Just go ahead and find your specific game. In our case, we are looking for the WWE 2K24, so I'll just go ahead and open it up. And then inside, you will then have the option to buy this game. You have your standard edition, you have your deluxe edition, and you have your 40 years of WrestleMania. Just go ahead and select your preferred version, and then you will be able to buy this game. And after buying the game, you will then be able to download and play WWE 2K24 into your PC or laptop. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.